How many times have we hugged goodbye to loved ones heading away for work while wishing for opportunities back home? How many times have we sat around with friends and family talking about what Cape Breton could be? How many times have we dreamed about our children building their futures here at home in Cape Breton?
It's here. Now. The time is ours.
Historic investments in the island's infrastructure is paving a new way forward for Cape Breton Unama'ki. Right now, 5 major projects are underway to revitalize the island and put more people to work. These projects will transform the way we deliver and access healthcare, improve care for our seniors, and drive innovation through post-secondary education. These investments are creating a legacy that will carry on for generations by providing supplier opportunities for local businesses and creating new employment and training for skilled trades. Let's go to work, Cape Breton. It's time to reimagine, rebuild, and revive.
We're not just building infrastructure, we're building the next generation for kids like me in Cape Breton.
Together, we're building tomorrow.